a lot of people, they don't understand what it takes to help these women. I'll be honest, I'm stretched for women who betray us and say we hurt them or we abuse them. Our family did not have to sacrifice itself to help people in porn. And yet, we went there anyways, and I knew full well these people aren't going to trust. This is going to be a lot of work. Oh my gosh, how can I be a mom, raise 3 kids, be married, and help these women at the same time? I was stretched so thin. I can't even tell you, especially in the beginning, because it was really just me doing it. You know, and then for them to come back and say that we abused them, I just think, you know, it just goes to show how sick they really are. Like I told my mentor, Dr. Judith Reisman, good friend of mine, I said, man, they just keep betraying us. I don't understand how these women can do that. And she goes, Shelley, it just goes to prove how sick porn really makes people, that they're not able to accept love. I call them like wounded animals or like wild animals. You're not going to walk up to a wounded animal and hand it food. It's going to bite you. So now I have to be more careful to kind of put the food far away and say, hey, if you want to come and get help, great. If not, great, you know. And what's a bummer is these girls can sit there and slander me and Garrett and Pink Cross and my family, and yet we don't retaliate and tell our other side of the story because, you know, we don't want to embarrass them. You know, if I've taken care of someone for 3 years, I have all their Facebook messages and their emails. I mean, I could very well embarrass them, but the thing is, I can't let the other women we're helping not trust us. So we have to keep confidentiality, and it's very, very difficult to do that. So the porn industry takes advantage of our kindness and says, well, they won't retaliate because they're Christians. We'll just go and slander them and blast them all day long, and they'll never tell their side of the story. So, you know, we've been seeking God on this. How do we handle this, God? Because, you know, the temptation to put these girls in their places is overwhelming. But the Lord keeps speaking to us. You know what, Shelley and Garrett? Do not overcome evil with evil, but overcome evil with good.